Hey everyone, this is Elisa with WTI. I stumbled upon the perfect motorized roller shades and they're by Zshine. Here are a few reasons why I'd pick them again. They're incredibly accurate in size. I sent them over my measurements and they sent me the perfect size for my window. Plus, they come with all the accessories you need to install it, including a template to make the process a breeze. Once it's up, you'll see that it grips the window perfectly, never leaving it loose. I also love that it's completely blackout. The material is great too, providing UV protection, crease resistance, and privacy protection. There's also no need for batteries since it's rechargeable. It comes with the charger it needs, and the cord is long enough to charge it easily. The battery will last for over a month, so you don't have to worry about it dying. It also comes with a remote control, so you can program it to three different stop positions, making it super convenient. These shades are also aesthetically pleasing and have a sleek design. They come in a variety of colors so you can choose the one that best suits your style. And that's my point of view.